Namaskar. On behalf of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, I bring you warm greetings from India and specially greetings to the Honorable Head Monk Venerable Hyun Mun and the other monks of the Thongdosa Temple in Yangshan in South Korea. This is a very great occasion today when the statue donated by the Indian Council for Cultural Relations is being installed at the Thongdosa Temple. I am very delighted. I would have loved to be in Yangshan in the Thongdosa Temple today to look at and to participate in the activities in putting together this statue in the temple premises. Unfortunately, because of COVID, I cannot come, and I wish that I get a chance in the future. But from India, I would like to bring all the blessings of the Buddha to both the countries to be able to help us during these difficult times of COVID-19. Buddhism has been one of the few connects between India and South Korea, the civilizational connect that is there between both countries. And we have over the years strengthened this connection between both our countries. Buddhism is a force for good in the world. It's a force which today is seen all over the world as a testimony to the great concepts that the Buddha himself said. The three universal truths, the four noble truths, and the eightfold path still continue to be relevant around the world. These are things which are important, and temples like Thongdosa bring to the world the teachings of the Buddha and celebrate the goodness and power of Buddhism all over. I would have loved to be at Thongdosa today to participate in the activities. I've heard it's a beautiful temple and that it houses the relics of the Sakyamuni Buddha. It is also located in one of the most beautiful locations in Korea near the Yeongchuksan Mountains. The Yeongchuksan Mountains are a copy of the Gadardukta Mountains in Rajgir in India, where the Buddha used to give his sermons. It used to be the favorite place of Sakyamuni Buddha to give his sermons, and the fact that both these places are located in similar situations speaks of the connection between India and Korea. I'm delighted to say that I'm very happy that the statue is being installed at the Cheongpung Hall of the temple of the Thongdosa Temple. This is a great occasion. We in India are conscious of our responsibility as the land of the Buddha and would work with Buddhists all over the world to make the world a better place. I thank the monks and the head monk Venerable Hyun Mun for this wonderful opportunity of installing the statue of the Buddha in Thongdosa Temple. I look forward to coming to Yangshan, meeting all of you and seeing the statue at the earliest. Thank you very much and Namaskar.